the project we started at El Soufwa in Masia Shantou region. When we visited the site, as you can see, there were no staircase design, so we designed a staircase for the building, as I posted earlier in my previous video. And this is the process when we're setting out the layout of the staircase, the design. Then we did the setting out on the wall to know the accurate length of the staircase. We drew it nicely and got to know that to do the straight flight, it will fit. Then we set the startup ROMs to support the landings. As you watch my previous video, I posted it on it and show you the processes as we were on it. Right now, we are done with the block work. Yeah, the inside changes we did for the architectural design of the rooms. As you can see, yeah, and here's the lintel I explained earlier on how the room worked to be constructed. So you can see, this is the washroom for the bedroom. The other side is the living area and the kitchen. Yes, and your way out, and then you climb the staircase down. So, yeah, it's where we completed the lintel work. You can see, yeah, the formwork of the staircase started and the reinforcements. As you can see, everything was done nicely. Yes. So we were waiting to do the concrete works, but the materials we needed to bring some. So this is where I showed you how the staircase was designed. The formwork and the reinforcement, as you can see, this is a strong beam to support it. We started with the concrete works. Yeah. And finally, everything was done. And we started with the curing and everything. So, yeah, everything is completed, as you can see. Yes, so right now we are yeah, everything. As you can see, this is the first landing. Then you climb up. And you go to the second landing. And you enter the building. Yes, the landing into the building. As you can see, everything is provided. Yes, yeah. View of the, let's see, back view. Yeah, south view. Yes. And I entered the room. Apartments. Yeah, I'll call it apartments. Yeah, a bedroom flats with its kitchen, hall, small terrace. Yes.